How to slow down voiceover in Elevenlabs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to slow down your voiceover in Elevenlabs, which can help you create more deliberate and easier to understand audio. To slow down the voice, start by logging into your Elevenlabs account and navigating to the text-to-speech section. Enter your script into the text box and select the voice you want to use. Then, look for the speech rate or speed settings within the voice customization options. Adjust the slider to a lower setting, which will slow down the voice output. It's a good idea to preview the audio before adjusting the speed to make sure the pace fits your project's requirements without sounding unnatural. Now that you know how to slow down voiceovers in Elevenlabs, you can create audio content that's clear, concise, and easy for your audience to follow.